911, what's your emergency?
A wave has flipped our sailboat. We're really far from the coast and are being pushed out even more.
Okay, sir, stay on the phone, please. Fire medical dispatch?
Hi, I'd like to report a wildfire just south of my house. Maybe 2 miles or something. I can see the orange light on top of the hill.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello. The flood has completely blocked the road. We wanted to evacuate with our car, but now we are stuck here. What should we do?
911, what's your emergency?
Hi, we heard an explosion, and now there is a lot of smoke coming from the mountain. I think we need help.
The propulsion system consists of supercapacitors, batteries, and a fuel cell which are used for different phases of flight, and liquid hydrogen is used as fuel. Vertical takeoff capability is provided by tilting ducted fans. Different sensors provide a next-generation network of connected drones, enabling fully automated flight scenarios. The payload section provides sufficient room for modularity that allows for seamless interchange of 2 payloads with geometric compatibility. For instance, cameras and life rafts can be serviced during maritime emergencies. Using state-of-design and simulation tools, the canard and large, slender wings were optimized to overcome the challenges of high-altitude flight, and even the tiniest source of drag was eliminated. The UAV is equipped with ADS-B and radar for external connection and obstacle detection. Within the system, sophisticated radio frequency technologies are used both for communication and localization. This makes Perseus a highly interconnected and independent drone system. Perseus, there when you need it most.